it, baby, take it, baby. Do it, baby, take it, baby. Do it, baby. I'm living my best life.
Hey Ray Stylers and Catchy Bays, it's your girl Reyna Rey, and I'm back with another video. And by the title of this video, you know exactly why we're here. And this video is going to be how to slay the new year, how to slay 2019, because we are here and we're ready to slay. So let me tell y'all, so I put a poll on Instagram asking you all what video you want to see next. I gave you an option to choose between style tips and how to slay the new year, and according to plan you all chose how to slay the new year. So I want to give you all a few tips on how to start your new year and how to keep your new year flourishing. Because when we go into New Year's, a lot of times we go in with all these different resolutions and we're just like, oh, we're going to do our year this way. And then as the middle of the year comes, we just somehow fall off. But you know what? With a plan in mind and a plan in motion, you can't fall off. Happy New Year to you all, because you know, we just gonna continue to slay. So a lot of times people say, you know, new year, new me, I'm doing me. But you know what? It shouldn't take a new year to come for you to be a new you. You should be a new you each day, because every day you should be evolving. Every day we evolve. It doesn't take a new year to come for us to start wanting to evolve. We should be doing this every day. The first thing you want to do upon starting your new year is you want to get more sleep. You can't replace sleep with a double latte. Getting sleep really helps you manage your stress. It helps you stay in a great mood, and it just helps keep you happy throughout your day. When you don't sleep enough, you tend to be all over the place, and you tend to get stressed out, and you tend to be unhappy and tired and grumpy and cranky. No one wants to be like that. So make sure you're getting enough sleep. And then you want to smile and laugh more, because you know, smiling and laughing can serve as an antidepressant. You know, when you smile, sometimes you can psych yourself out to being happy. And then another thing you want to do to not start your year off in the bad way, you want to make sure that you don't waste your precious energy on gossip, energy vampires, issues of the past, negative thoughts, or things you cannot control. So if you can't control something, then just do not stress about it. And also be careful of those energy vampires, because they will suck you dry. Now, another thing that's very important, you do want to set goals, and you want to make sure you try to accomplish those goals. So when you set the goals, make sure you accomplish your goals by doing whatever it is necessary to accomplish those goals. Now keep in mind, you do have a whole year. Unless you have deadlines on these goals, then don't stress too much. You know, just get something done day by day. And I tell you, your stress level will go from here to here. And your year will be off to a flourishing, revolving, refreshing year. And we all want to glow. So when you stress, you don't glow. But when you get things done, you do glow. See, I have a glow on because, you know, I'm completing one of my goals, and that was to provide you all with a video. And I'm here doing that video so I can sit here and glow. So yeah, okay, so the next tip is eat more foods that grow on trees and plants, and less manufactured foods like processed foods. A lot of times when you're like having a grueling schedule and you're doing all these different things, you know, you're at the office, you're at the workplace, you're running your business, you're doing all these different things at once. When you're eating processed foods, it makes it a lot more stressful. It makes it a lot more harder to accomplish these goals. But when you're eating off a plant and a tree, it's easier because you're becoming one with nature. You see this pillow behind me? You want to eat something that color. Doesn't it look tasty, the color? So you want to just keep that in mind. When you're stressing out, drink a smoothie. Also, we need to stop comparing ourselves to other people. We got to stop doing that. You are uniquely your own self, okay? I can't stress it enough. You cannot compare yourself to other people. And also remember that no success happens overnight. Everything's a process. So respect the process, especially if it's a passion. Respect the process and keep it moving. Okay, so now that we're in fashion, we want to look our absolute best in 2019, okay? So look, this is what you're gonna do to absolutely slay way. We want to make 2019, we want to make our new year the happiest and healthiest year thus far. It's never too late to start over. So if you've been eating bad and like dressing bad last year, this is the year to pick it up. And then I also think this should be a year for you all to really get to know your body. Understand what works for your body. You want to make sure that you wear clothes that are flattering, that looks good, that makes you feel good, that makes you say, you know what, I'm confident, can't no one change that. So we really want to get to know our bodies in 2019. And also, honesty. If you know you don't look good in something, don't wear it. Don't wear it. You don't want to be that person like, why are you wearing that? So a lot of times, just be honest with yourself and follow your heart. Forget about what's trendy. See, that's the thing. We can choose our trends to participate in, but your whole style shouldn't be trends. Like, think about it, because trends come and go. But keep in mind that that trend can leave, and so will your wardrobe. So you don't want to be wearing something that was trendy last year or the year before and still passing it off as it's trendy this year. It's going to be like, you know what? Oh, that is so last year. And we don't want that. What you want to do, you want to create your own trend, you know, create your own style, you know, create your own uniqueness. So many times if something's trendy, you won't always see me participating in that, even though I will sometimes if I really, really love the trend. Like certain trends I will participate in. It's like, oh my God, I love that. Like that's from the 2000s and I love it, like, or the 90s. So you will catch me participating in trends, but most of the time I'm not participating in trends because I'm so busy setting them. So you want to make sure that you're setting your trends. You have to sit back and be honest with yourself and say, you know what? This is just me trying to participate in a trend. I need to stop. Let's be real. When you're trying to find your wardrobe, you want to make sure that you find something that works uniquely to your body. Don't do what the next person is doing, ever. Okay? So that's the end of this video, and I hope you all enjoyed these tips on how to start and slay that new year. And I'm still living my best life. Okay, so I hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and tell a friend, and tell a friend, to tell a friend. And make sure you turn your notifications on, share this video, and comment down below how these tips are helping you, because I would love to know. And also follow me on Instagram at Reyna Rey Style, and also DM me. Ciao.
Bugging out, come on, come on. Do it, baby, take it, baby. Do it, baby, take it, baby.